What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I go by Pushing Kilos and we are the Kilo Gang. So you guys know I have a special treat for you guys. So today we are doing a Valentine's Day routine in this pole vlog. You guys know it's at the end, but please watch it all the way through. Watch the entire video so you can see how we got there, okay? And in this video, this is day 1, and then we're going to do day 2, and then day 3 is actually the day I came in to record the actual performance for you guys. So I have a quick disclaimer. One is that day 2 is a darker lighting. I did not realize that the lighting was off, and it's only because of the angle, because I'm going to insert a clip that's going to show it's just taken from my phone while my iPad is recording, because I like to show, do progress videos. So it's same lighting, just different angles, which made it look a little darker, but you can still see what I'm doing just fine. And also in day 2, I didn't know, because I really didn't come to check my angles, that as I was starting to climb up the pole, that some of it is a little bit out of focus, but then it's so quick that you see me. You see my entire body. So that was just a quick disclaimer for you guys, but thank you for rocking with me. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Again, you guys, always make sure to like my videos, comment on them, please. And again, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, or if you are returning. If you were returning watching my videos and you have not subscribed, what you doing? But all right, y'all, let's get into this Valentine's Day pole routine. Okay, love y'all. See y'all later. Bye.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear, smoke clear, smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing to the slides in both days. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stun up till I die. Lord help me. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stun up till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Yeah, my baby, sending action. These days no kumaye, just be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Shit crazy. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. You don't stun up till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. You don't stun up till I die. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear, smoke clear, smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear, smoke clear, smoke clear.
look at me. I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can get enough of me, yeah. Well, I guess it's looking like you stuck with me, 'cause I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud, that dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on a pillow, turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby, I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't lay you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud, that dick make me so smart. That dick make me so proud. Ooh, lay your head down on a pillow, I'ma fuck you real slow. Need to hear you say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby, I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here, I won't lay you down. Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud, that dick makes me so smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh,
High volume. you, girl. Tell me where you headed. Can I walk? Look in your eyes, it look like it give your boy here a good old time, and I'm on it, girl. That's right, I'm on it, girl. See, this is the first time I had a girl whose looks set me on fire. I'm really trying to get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like you're shy. 'Cause we gon' do something is gon' get done, and we gon' get crunk and have a lot of fun. And I say, shawty, she wearing her hair, she breaking them jeans, she talking that talk just like I like it. She keep it on and poppin'. Shawty keep it on and poppin'. Ooh, yeah. Shawty, wearing that top, got your boy so hot, ain't no mistaken plan. I'm faking, you got me open and waiting and poppin'. You keep me on and poppin'. Ooh, I'm trying to keep my swagger, but you're about to have me, girl. Jump through about 4 or 5 hoops of ooh, baby. Let's take it to the hood so the people can see it, girl. Oh yes, you're mean and vicious the way you're switching. Now I say, this is the first time I had a girl whose looks set me on fire. I'm really trying to get to know you better, girl. You ain't gotta act like you're shy. We gon' do something is gon' get done, and we gon' get crunk and have a lot of fun. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She wearing her hair, she breaking them jeans, she talking that talk just like I like it. She keep it on and poppin'. Shawty keep it on and poppin'. Ooh, yeah. Shawty, we wearing that top, got your boy so hot, ain't no mistaken plan. I'm faking, you got me open and waiting and poppin'. You keep me on and poppin'. Ooh, shawty, she wearing her hair, she breaking them jeans, she talking that talk just like I like it. She keep it on and poppin'. Whoa, poppin'. Shawty, ooh, wearing that top, got your boy so hot, ain't no mistaken plan. I'm faking, you got me open and waiting and poppin'. So they got me poppin'. Whoa. You make me feel like a winner, girl, I wanna say. Let me put my hands around your waist while the background sings.